press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Hello children, today we are going to learn a new chapter called perimeter and area. In our earlier classes only we are all discussed about, in 6th and in 5th we are all discussed about perimeter and area. What is perimeter and what is area for different plane figures? We already learned. Just I am giving the formulas and just we are recalling the formulas and definitions of the perimeter and area in this class. What is perimeter? Perimeter. What is perimeter? What is perimeter means the total boundary, length, the total boundary length of a given plane closed figure. Given closure figure is called perimeter. What I am telling here, if any plane figure is there, the total boundary length of a plane figure is nothing but perimeter. The total boundary length of a given plane closure figure is known as its perimeter. Irrespective of its figure length, just I am telling that the total length that is covered by the given plane closed figure is known as perimeter. And what is area? Area is the amount of surface. The area is the amount of surface occupied by the plane figure, or the region or surface occupied or covered by a plane closed figure is known as area. Area means the amount of total, whatever it may be, parallelogram or rectangle or square or triangle, whatever it may be, the amount of total boundary length. That is total boundary length of a given figure, whatever it may be. This is 2 centimeters, 1 centimeters, 2 centimeters and 1 centimeters. The total length of a given plane figure, that is 2 centimeters plus 1 centimeter plus 2 centimeters plus 1 centimeter. 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 2, 5, 5 plus 1, 6 centimeters is the amount of total boundary length of a given plane figure. That is known as perimeter. Okay, and the area means the amount of surface that is covered by the given plane figure. The amount of surface. If it is parallelogram means the amount of surface that is covered by the parallelogram is called area of the parallelogram. What is the difference between perimeter and area? The total boundary length of a given plane figure. The total boundary length of a plane figure is known as perimeter, and area means the amount of surface, the region that is covered or occupied by a plane figure is known as its area. Again and again, just we can't add all the sides and all the, if some figures are there, that is parallelogram, square, rectangle, like that some figures are there, some plane figures are there, we can't add if this is only 2 centimeters, that's why we are adding. If it is 320 centimeters length, B 160, just the calculation, we can't do calculation again and again. That's why just in behalf of to reduce the complexity, some formulas are there to find the area of the parallelogram, perimeter of the parallelogram, area of the square, perimeter of the square, area of the rectangle and perimeter of the rectangle, like that. Just in this class we are going to discuss the formulas of perimeter and areas of square, rectangle, like that. In 6th only we already learnt what is the formula to find area and perimeter of a square, correct? Square, area. What is the formula to find the area of a square? Square into, side into side. What is side into side? That is equals to side square. If in behalf of side, if you take A, that means A square or S square, A square or S square. Perimeter. Suppose if it is a square, perimeter means, yes, this is the side of length of the side, this is length of the side, this is length of the side, and this is S plus S, that is equals to 4S. Directly we can write here 4 into side, that is length of the side, that is equals to 4 into A. In behalf of side, just I am taking here A. You can take S or L or like that. And then in the case of rectangle, what is area of rectangle? Length into breadth. What is perimeter of rectangle? 2 into L, length plus breadth. 2 into length plus breadth. In behalf of length we can take L, and in behalf of breadth we can take B. That is equals to, here also if you change L into B. What is the area of a rectangle? L into B. What is perimeter of a rectangle? 2 into L plus B. 2 into L plus B. And then parallelogram. Suppose this is parallelogram. This is known as the perpendicular line which is drawn from any corner of the breadth is known as height, and this is base. To find the area of the parallelogram, the formula is base into height. Perimeter means, it is nothing but actually the opposite sides are equal, correct? That's why what the formula we are taking here for the area of the rectangle, that only we can repeat here. 2 into L plus B. 2 into L plus B. 4. And in the case of triangles, area is, it is nothing but half part of parallelogram. Area of triangle equals to half into area of parallelogram. area of parallelogram, correct? That is nothing but half into base into height, half into base into height, and then perimeter, and then perimeter. What is the perimeter of triangle? Triangle. Sum of the all sides of a triangle. Sum of the all sides of a triangle. A plus B plus C. A plus B plus C, where A, B, C are measures of sides of a triangle. Measures of sides of a triangle. Measures of sides of a triangle. And then in the case of circles, this is a new for you people, circle. In the case of circle, the amount of the total boundary length covered by the circle is known as circumference. In the case of circle, the perimeter is known as circumference. What it is? Perimeter is known as circumference of a circle. What is the formula to find the circumference of a circle? Is 2 pi r. R, what is r? R is radius of a circle. Radius andre enu? The distance, the fixed distance from the center of the circle to the infinite points in the line, correct, in the plane, is known as radius, correct. 2 pi r will give pi andre enu? Just it is a constant. The value of that pi is 3.14 or 22 by 7. 3.14 or 22 by 7. In behalf of this one, 2 into r, 2 into radius ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? d ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? Diameter, pi d. In some cases we will use 2 pi r. In some cases if they give the diameter directly, you can use pi d to find the perimeter. What it is? Circumference of the circle. To find the area of the circle, we have a formula called pi r square. Here also pi is a constant which value is 22 by 7 and r is radius of the circle, and this value is 22 by 7 or 3.14 In the case of circle also, the amount of area, that is the amount of surface that is covered by the circle is known as area of the circle. Whatever the plane closed figure, for that figures areas and circles will be there. These 5 are the major formulae to find the basic things to find the area of the circle or area of perimeter of the circle. Areas and perimeters of squares, rectangles, parallelograms, triangles and circles. Perimeters of regular polygon. Perimeters of regular polygon. See here, perimeter of a regular polygon. What is polygon? A closed figure. A closed plane figure is known as a polygon. Regular figure means a polygon having equal number of sides. The polygon having equal measurements of its sides is known as regular polygon. Okay, how to find the perimeter of a regular polygon? Here now we are all know that equilateral triangle is a regular polygon and square is a regular polygon and pentagon, regular pentagon is there. Like that, like that plane figures, just we have a general formula called perimeter of regular polygon is equals to number of sides into length of one side, length of one side. Here number of sides of a polygon. Suppose if I take equilateral triangle, all sides are equal with 5 centimeters. What they are asking, just what we will do in the case of triangle A plus B plus 3C is the perimeter of the triangle. If I use that formula, means what I have to do to find the perimeter? 5 centimeters plus 5 centimeters plus 5 centimeters, that is equals to 50 centimeters. In behalf of using these, we have one formula, that is number of sides into length of one side. Number of sides into length of one side. Number of sides into length of one side. How many sides are there? 1, 2, 3. 3 sides are there. Length of one side is 5 centimeters. 50 centimeters. Correct? Okay. So we can directly tell that in the case of equilateral triangle, the perimeter is 3 into A. A is the length of one side. In the case of square, all sides are equal. In the case of, we can add 4 into A. In the case of pentagon, 5 into A. Hexagon, regular hexagon, like that also, just we can use this formula, that is number of sides into length of one side. Number of sides into length of one side. 3 into A there we used, here 4 into A, 5 into A, 100 sided polygon will be there, 100 into A. According to the situation, we can use the formula. Okay. Just if you know these 6 basic topics before we going into the exercises in this chapter, you can solve. We can solve all the problems in the exercise. Before going to that one, just I will do one example problem. After that, we can move on to the exercise problem. Example: the area of a square and a rectangle are equal if the side of the square is 40 centimeters and breadth is 100. Breadth of rectangle is, just you have to see one thing, side, length of the side of a square is 40 centimeters and breadth of rectangle is 25 centimeters. Find the length of rectangle. Find the length of rectangle and perimeter of rectangle Here what they are telling, just the areas of square and rectangle are equal. We know what is the formula to find the area of the square and area of the rectangle. Here what they are telling, the area of square and rectangle are equal if the length of the side of a square is 40 centimeters and breadth of rectangle is 25 centimeter. Find the length of a rectangle and perimeter of a rectangle. Find the length of a, here we know the square information, all we know. In the case of rectangle, what is the formula to find the length, perimeter, area of a square? L into B. Here we know B. B we know, we don't know L. First we have to find L by equating areas of square and rectangle. By equating areas of square and rectangle, we can get the value of the length of rectangle. By using the length and breadth of a rectangle, we can find the perimeter of a rectangle. Solution. Whatever they have given in the question, just we have to write that one. Area of a square. Area of a square equals to side square. Side square andre enu 40 centimeter whole square. That is equals to 1600 square centimeter. And area of rectangle. What is area of rectangle? Formula to find area of rectangle? L into B. What is L? We don't know. Into 25. Into 25. That is equals to 25 L centimeter square. Since we know that area of two areas of squares and rectangle are equal. Area of square is equals to area of rectangle. Area of square is equals to area of rectangle. Correct? Therefore, this one is equals to this one. 1600 centimeter square is equals to 25 L centimeter square. This one we can get cancelled. This is in LHS. If it comes on RHS, sorry, LH, RHS part if it comes, it is in multiplication. If it comes this side and then we will get it as division. 1 za 60, 4 za L equals to 64 centimeter. L equals to 64 centimeters. Therefore, length of rectangle. Therefore, length of rectangle is equals to 64 centimeter. We know length and breadth of a rectangle. What is length of a rectangle? 64 centimeter and breadth of a rectangle is 25 centimeter. Then we can write the perimeter of a rectangle. Therefore, perimeter of a rectangle. Therefore, perimeter, what is the formula to find the perimeter of a rectangle? 2 into L plus B. 2 into what is L? 64 plus what is B? 25. 2 into 64 plus 25, 89. Here you have to use centimeters, otherwise the consequence will be reduced. 2 into 89 is 178 centimeters. Therefore, here we find the length of the rectangle and the perimeter of a rectangle. Therefore, perimeter of a rectangle is 178 centimeter. Is 178 centimeters. Like that, if they ask whatever there in the question, just you have to understand it carefully and then you have to go through the problem by using the formulas that we have known. Now I am doing the exercise problems. Exercise 11.1. Exercise 11.1. The length and breadth of a rectangular piece of land or the length and breadth of a rectangular piece of land are 500 m and 300 m respectively. Find first one, its area. Second one, the cost of the land if 1 meter square will values of land costs rupees 10,000. Rupees 10,000. What is there in the question? The length and breadth of a rectangular piece of land are 500 meters and 300 meters respectively. We have to find its, what we have to find? We have to find its area. Actually, we are all know that what is the formula to find the area of a rectangle, if you know length and breadth? L into B. Just first, since length of rectangular piece of land. What is length of rectangular piece of land? L equals to 500 meters, and then breadth of rectangular piece of land, B equals to 300 meters. B equals to 300 meters. Therefore, its area is equals to length into breadth. Area equals to length into breadth. What is length? 500 meters into 300 meters. 15, 5 3s are 15. 1,50,000 meters square. 1 lakh square meter. Okay. Here in the second question, what they are asking? The cost of the land. Cost of the land. The cost of the rectangular piece of land they are asking us to find. If 1 square centimeter value is rupees 10,000. You have to write the cost of 1 square meter of land equals to 10,000 is equals to 10,000. What we have to find? The cost of area. Area only we have to find the. Therefore, the cost of 1,50,000 square meter of land is equals to rupees 10,000 into 1,50,000. 1,50,000. That is equals to 15. This will be the cost of the land. This will be the cost of the land. Okay, next question. Find the area of square park whose perimeter is 320 meters. Here, what they are giving in the question? They are giving the perimeter of a square. What they are giving? Since andre enu given. Since perimeter of a square. Since the perimeter of a square equals to 320 meters. But we know that what is the perimeter of a square? 4 into length of the side. 320. To find length of the side, this is an LHS. If it go to RHS, it is in multiplication. It will be division 320 m by 4. 1s are 80s. That is equals to 80 meters. Therefore, length of the side, square, otherwise length of the side of a square, length of the side of a square, yes, or A equals to 80 meters. Therefore, what they are asking us to find? Area of a square equals to, what is the formula to find the area of a square? Side square. A square 80 whole square. 80 into 80. 8 8 64 0 0 m square. Otherwise, we can write square meter. Square meter. This will be the area of a square. This will be the area of a square. And then go to the next question. Third one. Find the length. Find the length, breadth of a. Find the breadth of a rectangular sheet rectangular plot of land in 6th you are all did how if they give length and breadth. Otherwise, if they give length and area, you have to write, you have to find its breadth like that. But here, how it will be useful for your real life. That we are discussing here. If its area is 440 centimeter square, meter square, and length is 22 meters. Also find its perimeter. Also find its perimeter. Here what they are giving? They are giving length. Sorry, they are find the breadth of a rectangular spot of land. Here what, which figure they are giving? Rectangular, the rectangle they are giving. If its area is, the area also they are giving 440 meter square, and length of the rectangular spot of plot of land is they are giving, that is 22 meters. We have to find the breadth. If you find the length and breadth of a given rectangle, then it is easy to find the perimeter of that rectangle also. Correct? Here you have to write length, since length of a rectangle, simply I am writing here, you have to write rectangular plot of land is 22 m. Breadth only you have to find. Area also they are giving LB. Area of a rectangular plot of land also they are giving. A equals to 440 m square. But we know that, what we know the formula? L into B equals to 440 m square. L ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 22 into B equals to 440 m square. That implies B equals to 440 m square divided by 22 m. 1 m, 1 m, 1s are 20s are. Therefore, breadth of a rectangular plot of land is, therefore, breadth of rectangular plot of land is B equals to 20 meters. B equals to 20 meters. Here we know length and also breadth. Easily we can find its area. Therefore, perimeter this you have to write, perimeter of rectangular plot of land, P equals to 2 into L plus B. What is L? 22 plus 20. 2 into 22 plus 20, 42 m. 2 into 42, 84. What is the perimeter of the rectangular plot of land? 24 meters. 24 meters. What they have given in the question, just you have to write them carefully, and by reading the question you have to understand which you have to find. What they are giving. By using that one, how we can find the other things. Just you have to first glance the question and then you have to start doing the answer. Okay, next question. The perimeter of a rectangular sheet is, the perimeter of a rectangular sheet is 35 centimeters. Find its breadth. Find its area. Find its area. Here what they are giving? The perimeter of a rectangular sheet is 100 centimeters and length is 35 centimeter. Find its breadth and its area. Here whatever they have given in the question, you have to write it carefully. Length they are giving, length of rectangular sheet. L equals to 100, L equals to 35 centimeters and then breadth given anta bariri. Breadth of rectangular sheet B equals to question mark, we have to find that one, and then perimeter they are giving. In the previous question they gave area and they asked us to do the perimeter. Here what they are giving? They are giving perimeter of rectangular sheet. We have to find its area. 2 into, we know that the perimeter of rectangle is 2 into L plus B, that is 100 centimeters. 2 into what is L? 2 into 35 plus B 100 centimeter. Here also you have to write centimeters. 35 centimeters plus B equals to 100 centimeters by 2. 1s are 50s are. B equals to 50 centimeters minus 35 centimeters, that is equals to 50 centimeters. Therefore, the breadth of a rectangular sheet is 50 centimeters. What they are asking us to find next? Area. Therefore, area of rectangular sheet A equals to L into B. L, what is the value of L? L is 35 centimeters into 15 centimeters. 35 centimeters into 15 centimeters. What is this one? 325 centimeter square. Sorry, 525. 15 5s are like that, just you have to do. Fifth one, the area of a square park is the area of a square park is the same as a rectangular park if the side of a square park is $60 centimeters and length of a rectangular park is 90 meters. Find its breadth and perimeter. Find its breadth and perimeter Here what they are giving? They are giving the area of a square park. Area of a square park. Example problem how we did like that, just we have to do this. the area of a square park is equals to area of a rectangular park. Since area of square park is equals to area of rectangular park. Rectangular park, if the side of a square park is 60, what is the formulas? Just formulas write first. Side into side is equals to L into B. L into B means length into breadth. Side, what is the, if the side of a square is 60, what is the side? Square side. 60 meters into 60 meters is equals to, what is the length? What is the length? 90 meters into breadth. Correct? 6 exam, that is 600 m square 90 m into B. Okay, m1 m cancel, get cancelled. 3600 divided by 90. 100 cancel. 1s are 9. 9. 4s are 40. That implies B equals to, that means breadth of a rectangle is 40 meters. Breadth of a rectangle is 40 meters. And then what we have to find now? Perimeter. What we have to find now? Perimeter. Perimeter of a rectangle. What is the formula to find the perimeter of a rectangle? Directly, just here this is the second I am writing, that's why directly I am taking this step. You have to write length of the square, length of the side of a square and length of a rectangular park, breadth of a rectangular park, and then you have to write this one. Okay. Perimeter, therefore perimeter of a rectangular park. Perimeter of a rectangular park. What is the formula to find the perimeter of a rectangular park? 2 into L plus B. 2 into L enu 90 meters plus B is equals to 40 meters. 2 into 90 plus 40, 130 meters. 260 meters. P enagutte 260 meters. 260 meters. Okay then, we will discuss the other problems in our next class. Thank you children.